Hello students, today we will see the relations between EMF, potential difference and internal resistance of cell. Okay, हमने लास्ट टाइम EMF और इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस किया था। उसमें हमने EMF और इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस के बारे में पढ़ा था। नाउ हियर this is the cell, positive terminal and negative terminal, and this is the small r internal resistance of cell. So this entire setup of cell. Now this is external resistance R. So current passes through from the positive terminal of cell A here to negative terminal of cell here. Okay, so the direction of current from this. Now what is EMF? EMF is a source of a current to maintain the potential difference across the circuit. Yeah, any 2 points. Okay, and one more definition: EMF, work done by a cell in carrying a unit positive charge along the closed circuit. You know the meaning of closed circuit? Closed circuit means जिसमें current flow हो रहा है. Okay, so here this is a closed circuit, current passes through the circuit. So this work done, this EMF is also equal to the, it is divided into two parts. Work done in carrying a unit positive charge from A to B against external resistance R, means from here to here. Okay, from A to B against external resistance R. Okay, work done in carrying a unit positive charge from A to B. A to B means like this, here to here. Okay, this point B, here A, in here B, against this external resistance R, plus from here to here this negative terminal. So this is the work done in carrying a unit positive charge from B to A against internal resistance R. This is the internal resistance R. Okay, so this EMF is equal to the work done from A to B, okay, against external resistance R, and plus work done against internal resistance small r to carry a unit positive charge. Okay, now so this EMF equal to E equal to V plus V dash. So here V, potential difference across the resistance R, external resistance R, and V dash, potential difference across the internal resistance small r. Now by Ohm's law we know that V equal to IR. So this, so potential difference here V equal to IR, and potential difference across internal resistance V dash equal to IR. Now put these two values here. So E equal to IR plus IR small r. Now take I common, so EMF I equal to R plus R. So from this we have to find I. So I equal to E upon R plus R. So this is the current across the resistance. Now since V equal to IR, so put the value of I from here. So here, so E R plus R into R. Okay, now V, and again V equals to, from here V equal to E minus V dash. So V equal to E minus V dash. Now put the value of V dash. V dash equal to IR. Put this value here. So V equal to E minus IR. So from this we have to find small r. So small r equal to, ये माइनस इधर आ जाएगा तो प्लस, so E minus V upon I. So from these relations we have to find small r equal to E minus V upon I. Now we need to find the relations between these three, E, V and R. So put the value of I. So from here, so I equal to V upon R. तो आप इसे सिंप्लीफाई कर लीजिए. सो स्मॉल r इक्वल टू कैपिटल R ऊपर आ जाएगा ये. सो E माइनस वी अपॉन ई वी. जैसे अगर हम अलग अलग करते हैं तो E अपॉन वी माइनस वी अपॉन वी. सो वी से वी कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड रिलेशन बिटवीन ई, वी एंड आर. या हम इसके थ्रू स्मॉल आर की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ सेल्स. हमने पोटेंशियोमीटर्स के दो एक्सपेरिमेंट आपको बताए हैं. फर्स्ट, कंपेयर द ईएमएफ ऑफ टू सेल्स, एंड द सेकेंड वन टू फाइंड द इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ सेल विद द हेल्प ऑफ पोटेंशियोमीटर. तो उसमें हम इस फॉर्मूले का यूज करेंगे. बाय यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला वी हैव टू फाइंड द इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ सेल. सो वी नीड टू फाइंड these two values, E and V, and this is the given value of resistance R. Okay.